The next tool, it's abSymMesh. This tool, it's quite old tool, but it's very, very useful. It's still very useful. You can download it from high-end 3D, and I bet you can download it from more places. So just abSymMesh, just Google it, and you will get other places. And yeah, so let me open it. So I'm just gonna use the ML command to open this tool. Here we have some warnings that is using some like some commands that are depreciated, but it's still working perfectly, so it's no big deal. So basically this tool, what it does, it's using reference-based geometry. It's calculating the asymmetry mapping template, and then you can use it to resymmetrize or to change your topology to some places. So in this case, in this sample scene, I think I just destroy almost everything. Okay, I have this one. Just gonna cut it there, move it. So yeah, this is it's gonna be my symmetry base. Just gonna select it. So it says warning, it's not symmetrical. Probably I break that before. So I'm just gonna use one of these plane shapes that I have here, just pretty random ones. Okay, so now this says geometry is symmetrical. You can read it here, so that's good reference. Okay, cool. So what I can do with that? Okay, let me take one of the random things that I did here. So this is duplicated of the head with a weird position. So now it's it's history here. So the first thing I can do is I can reverse everything to the base. So reverse to the base means it's gonna match the other position. I can use the point selection. That is probably one of the most interesting tools, because I can now reverse like this. So it's gonna revert only that part. And also if I select like a few points, and I can use this slider, so it's gonna be slowly reverting to the original position. Of course, now I'm breaking this, but so that's one thing. The other is we can use it to make like a partial resymmetry. So mirror selected. So it's gonna mirror that part. If we don't have anything selected, we can just mirror everything. So you can see it's not the fastest thing in the world, but it does pretty well his work. Also, it works by world space position. So it has a global tolerance here. So if you have very dense, or depending on the scale of your character, you may want to review these values. Also the operation, it's YZ, means that in the 3D space, this is the Y, this is the Z. So it's where he's gonna, like this place is gonna be the mirror. So it's gonna cleanse. We have the flip, select the mirror point, select the moved vertex, and so on. So now it's mirror, and you can check symmetry. So you can check it there, and it's gonna tell you it's symmetrical. If I just gonna move, just for the example, just gonna move 1 point, and of course check symmetrical now. There is 2 asymmetric vertices, and it's selected. This one, of course, it's 2 because there are 2 that don't match the symmetry. So that's it about this tool. It's very simple. It's very easy to use, but it's very, very useful.